I was sitting down and watching a Stradman YouTube video when I wondered what my friends think of his cars. I asked them, but unfortunately none of my friends are car guys. So the only thing I could think of is ask the person who knows everything, ChatGPT. So I went on ChatGPT and asked him, do you know who Stradman is? It said, yes, I'm familiar with the Stradman. He's a popular automotive YouTuber known for his engaging content focused on luxury and exotic cars. His real name is James Condon, and he has gained a large following by showcasing his car collection, attending. I asked it for name to 5 car he had. It said, Lamborghini Aventador, one of his most iconic cars, often seen in a purple wrap. Bugatti Veyron, a hypercar that he added to his collection, making headlines among his fans. Ford GT, the legendary American supercar that he has featured in several of his videos. Jeep Gladiator 6x6, a custom-built 6x6 version of the Jeep Gladiator, modified for off-roading. Ferrari 458 Spider, another Italian supercar that has been part of his impressive collection. I said rate the Aventador. He said the Aventador itself is a stunning supercar, and Stradman's choice to wrap it in a vibrant purple makes it stand out even more. The bold color combined with the car's aggressive lines gives it overall rating 9.5/10. The Stradman's Lamborghini Aventador is a top-tier supercar that perfectly represents his style and passion for the automotive world. I said rate the bug. Design. The Bugatti Veyron is a masterpiece of automotive design, known for its sleek, aerodynamic lines and luxurious
An eternity later.
Overall rating, 9 out of 10. The Stradman's Bugatti Veyron is a pinnacle of automotive engineering and luxury, reflecting his ability to acquire and appreciate some of the rarest and most prestigious cars in the world. I said rate the Ford GT. The Ford GT is known for its stunning, aerodynamic design and its retro-inspired styling that harks back. Overall rating, 8.5/10. The Stradman's Ford GT is a high-performance, visually stunning supercar that complements his collection well. Its blend of design and performance makes it a worthy addition, even if it remains closer to its original form. I said rate the 6x6. Design. The 6x6 conversion adds an aggressive, off-road look to the Jeep Gladiator, turning it into a one-of-a-kind beast. The extended body and additional axle give it a
Oh my God, bro.
Oh, hell no.
Overall rating, 8.5/10. The Stradman's Jeep Gladiator 6x6 is a striking and functional off-road vehicle that perfectly fits his collection's theme of unique and eye-catching cars. Its custom design and off-road capability make it a standout in his lineup. I said rate the Ferrari. Design. The Ferrari 458 Italia is known for its elegant, aerodynamic design, which blends classic Ferrari styling with modern aesthetics.
1 hour later.
Overall rating, 8.5/10. The Stradman's Ferrari 458 Italia is a beautiful and high-performing supercar that complements his collection well. Its blend of design, performance, and slight customization makes it a standout vehicle.